This is a beautiful train. I mean, it's based in Pretoria, and obviously it's a well-renowned marvel in South Africa. We do attract quite a lot of international guests. We transverse between Pretoria and Cape Town. We also do a Big Falls route and Kruger National Park route.
This particular train now, where is it going to?
This particular train now is en route to Cape Town. We departed Pretoria on Monday. We are en route to Cape Town. ETA, estimated time of arrival, we're looking at Thursday at 3 o'clock in the afternoon.
Okay, what time do you depart from here?
We are going to depart at 12:30 this afternoon.
This time is a little bit wrong. We can just get through. Let's see. Let's go see all the enjoyment here. As you can see. See what you're missing here when you get on the blue train. This is yeah. 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 This is lovely, as you can see, singing to us. Let's go through. Saxophone player, as we're all boarding our train. Sorry. Lovely. This is the introduction you get. Want to get in the front? So we get to the front of the engines. This is lovely. This is what's going to pull us all the way to Cape Town. This is the way we used to travel with the steam engines in the old days, but now we're traveling. Hello there.
Hello, how are you?
Are you running the train?
Yes.
Let me get you in the video. You can be in my video. You can tell me what you do. Just speak. Say. You're the captain of the ship.
Oh, good morning. My name is Cornelius. I'm a section manager for Beaconsfield Loco. I've been a driver for 13 years, and I'm taking away the blue train today for these gentlemen.
Where are we going to?
You're going to Cape Town, but I'll be taking you right through to the R, and then the R crew will take you further to Beaufort and so on. Right till you get to Cape Town.
Where do you get in here?
Yes.
Can I take a little picture?
Yes, you can.
All right.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Enjoy your trip.
Same for you. Bye.
All right. This is going to be an exciting journey as we head off to Cape Town. They're all ready now. We are ready to leave. I'm just going to get on my train, and then we're going to be heading out to Cape Town. Thanks for joining us on the Moonoveraquarius experience. We'll see you on the next one. Cheers. Here we are. We're about to enter the blue train. Hello. All right, here we are on the blue train. You are with the Moonoveraquarius experience. We're here in Kimberley. Hope you enjoyed the trip with us. We're just going to show you all around the different settings of the train. Looking forward to this. It's going to be an awesome trip. We're going to be heading on to from Kimberley through to Cape Town.
So, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Blue Train, South Africa's premier luxury experience. A very iconic, internationally known train, which is also known to be the crown jewel of SA tourism. The train, we've got weekly scheduled trips from Pretoria to Cape Town, and then from Cape Town back to Pretoria. These are 3 nights and 2-day journeys, where we are giving the customers the best possible experience they can have on the Blue Train, which is truly the soul, the window to the soul of Africa. That's our moniker for the Blue Train. It's all about giving guests the best possible experience they can have. And you will have a personal butler, someone that caters for all of your personal needs. Fine dining of the best standard that you can possibly have.
I just want to see the view of they can just actually see how you see the. Okay, perfect.
And then also the best wine list. The Blue Train has won several awards for having the best wine list. And we've got 4 public spaces which our guests can enjoy, which is a restaurant, a club car, a lounge car, and our observation car, which is a brilliant space for guests to sit and enjoy the sun, enjoy lovely coffees, enjoy lovely expensive whiskies and drinks, and just enjoying each other's company while you take in the breathtaking views of this beautiful country, South Africa. Thank you very much. Looking forward to having you. Looking forward to hosting you. All the best.
Just put your.
My name is Aubrey Makamu, the Blue Train manager.
Oh, perfect.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
And what are we ordering?
You have ordered Cokes, and I've provided you with some.
Wow, we're looking forward to that.
It's
where
a
are we
big-
off to now? Cape Town?
We are off to Cape Town, and we are currently at Kimberley Station. We're ready to receive the guests from the Kimberley Hole for the excursion that they were on a tour. So they're coming back. They should be back anytime from now.
Okay. And what is through there? That is.
At the rear end of the train,
Yes.
that is our observation car. It's our other lounge where with panoramic windows, allowing our guests to enjoy the sceneries of different landscapes, South African landscapes, as the train is traversing through.
And are you going to take us through them?
Yes, absolutely.
Okay. George, you're going to stay here. Okay, we better be quick before the guests come.
Okay, you can.
Right.
So I'll lead the way. So this is the guests' accommodations. This is the luxury coach.
All right.
Yes. We have 2 room types on board the train.
Yes.
So it's the luxury suites and the deluxe suites.
All right.
So the difference is that the space in the luxury and the deluxe are completely different in terms of the sizes. So the luxury suite is quite bigger than the deluxe.
And you get quite fit on this long walk, eh?
Yeah. Doing 400 meters a day, I believe that one should be fit.
Yeah. And when you get to Cape Town, how long do you stay in Cape Town before you depart?
We stay overnight,
Okay.
and the following day we come back to the train and prepare ourselves for another departure back to Pretoria. So this is the observation car.
Yes.
It has the panoramic windows. This is where our guests comes in to enjoy the scenery, and of course they also enjoy our high tea, the service in here as well.
Right now I'm just going to do a quick bit of the tin. All right, so here I am on the blue train in Kimberley. We're going to be heading off to Cape Town now. This is a lovely experience. Just to show you guys what you're missing. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you on the next one. So George, tell me how you're enjoying your trip on the train so far.
Very nice.
Yeah, hold it. Yeah.
That was a very nice experience, is this?
You enjoying the train?
Well,
You looking forward to Cape Town?
We will be serving lunch at 12:30, and later on we will be serving high tea.
Okay.
Yes. And then after all that, well, the high tea will be served in this cart and the middle of the train as well. So in the midst of that, all guests will be enjoying the scenery throughout all the way we get to Orange River, which is much, much spectacular to experience.